Hello InvTraXes. The majority of global currencies have an internationally acknowledged three-letter acronym. These are made up of the two-letter country code and the initial of the currency. For instance, GBP is the code for the Great Britain pound. A list of the three-letter currency codes for many international currencies is as follows. The Forex market is waiting for you. Start trading today. Join now by clicking the link in the description. Also join our Telegram group for daily free trading signals. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for daily videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like the video and follow and like our page. Here's to a successful Forex trading journey for you.